Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Portainer on VPS using local admin and RBAC full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Portainer on your VPS using a local admin account and role-based access control, begin by accessing your VPS. Log into your VPS using SSH. Once logged in, ensure that Portainer is already installed and running. Open a web browser and navigate to your Portainer instance URL. You should see the Portainer login screen. Click on the local button to authenticate with the local admin account. Enter the username and password for your local admin account. If this is your first time logging in, you may need to set up an admin account. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the Portainer dashboard. Now, let's configure role-based access control. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Users. Here, you can see existing users and their roles. To add a new user, click on the Add User button. Fill in the required details such as username, password, and access level. Select the role you want to assign to the user from the drop-down menu. Roles typically include administrator, editor, and viewer, among others. Once the information is filled in, click on the Create User button. Your new user will now appear in the users list. To set specific permissions for this user, go to the Teams section. Creating teams can help manage access more effectively. Click on Add Team to create a new team for organizing users. Name your team and add users from the list to that team. Now assign roles to that team based on their access needs. Go to the Endpoints section to manage your Docker environments. Select the endpoint you want to give access to. Click on the Access Control tab. Choose the team or users you want to grant access to this endpoint. Assign the appropriate role based on your access policies. After setting up roles and permissions, ensure that everything is saved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.